What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Family, friends, enemies. No, but for real, welcome back to the channel, everybody. This morning I'm gonna be doing a video on how to replace the steering wheels in these donks. I mean, it's pretty much gonna be the same thing, whether we're talking about Forgiatos, Savinis, Armani, you know what I'm saying? Pretty much any of these forged wheel and steering wheel combination is going to be pretty much the same situation, the same rundown. But I didn't see anybody post anything for the Savini setups. I don't know why. I guess they're not as popular as 4Gs and all that. But yeah, here we are. We're gonna run this real quick and show y'all what the business is. Alright, so there she is. Oh, as y'all seen in some of my recent videos, I was missing one center cap for my wheels. That's the other side, but I forgot to order the steering wheel whenever I ordered these wheels, so I had to send one of my center caps back in so they can match the gold with the steering wheel gold. I don't understand because they only have like 4 options, but whatever. I appreciate that they, you know, cared enough to get the job done right. So I finally got it back though. Super glad to have this back though, because everybody was thinking that I might have lost one already or something, so that's back in here. So I guess it does come with directions if you need them, but it's pretty common sense in my opinion. Alright, so the first thing you want to do is you're going to want to pop this out. But when you pop this out, don't just rip it off, because there's a positive and a negative wire behind here that makes your horn work. So, you know, those are connected behind there. So when you pop that up out of there, don't yank it off. Kind of get it off of there, but don't yank it. You know what I'm saying? Because you will rip something and you don't want to do that. These things cost way too much as it is. So I was already like mid removal when I was about to take this off, when I decided that I wanted to make a video on it. So it's already kind of lifted from the steering wheel a little bit, but you know, I don't recommend using any type of flathead screwdrivers or anything like that. If you have some kind of plastic pry tool or something, that might work and not scratch anything. But you just want to get behind there and pop this out like so. And these are those wires I was talking about, so you don't want to rip those off. But I'm just going to disconnect this one, and this one's got a little bolt on. Alright, so the next part is to take all of these little bolts from the center of the steering wheel out. Alright, so got all those out, and then boom, just like so, she's off of there. So yeah, that's it. Y'all don't need to mess around with this bolt here. This is actually for the little column part here, so don't touch this unless y'all are replacing all this, because I don't know what comes with taking that out, whether that has to be like, you know, so I just would leave that alone, you know what I'm saying? So I guess I should elaborate a little bit. I didn't say anything about it, but this steering wheel did come with another back column piece for the steering wheel. I just don't want to put it on my car because I already have so much gold on the car, and the inside trim is more silver than anything. I don't even think I have a lick of gold in there, so I'm just gonna keep this part in storage for a later day in case I put all the gold on the trim and stuff on the inside of the car. So right now I'm just gonna take off that part and then slap it back together. One more thing I recommend to have too when doing this is some type of little tray to keep all your bolts and stuff in, because there is quite a few of them and you don't want to lose those, that's for sure. So now I'm pretty much gonna just repeat the steps in reverse that we did when we took this thing off. Put that thing on there like that. And start slapping these screws back in. And another thing, I was always taught to like put these bolts, or any bolts for that matter, if you're talking about lug nuts or anything, I'm gonna put these back in here in like a star pattern. So if you're wondering why I'm doing it like this, that's why. I'm not gonna just put them all in there clockwise or counterclockwise. I'm gonna tighten them up in a star pattern. You remember that bolt we took off for the negative wire, or whichever one it is, don't let me lie to you, but I'll put that back on there. And fun fact, Savini does send you another positive, or like I said, whatever one it is, they send you another one with the wire. I don't know why they don't send the other one. I'm guessing because that other one is connected to the car, like part of the steering wheel. That's just what they provide, but I thought that's pretty dope. Boom. So yeah, she's in there. Actually waiting on another, I don't know what you want to call this, steering wheel leather piece. I'm waiting for this to come back because they sent it to me in black, even though I said tan. So we're gonna get it matched up with the interior and everything else, but I had to go ahead and slap that on there because that design just matches the wheels, and that other one, it just was not it. So here we are.